Do you roast pumpkin seeds? Before you do, listen up to these frequently asked questions about roasting pumpkin seeds. Why do I have to dry my pumpkin seeds? Drying them is what's going to make the seasoning stick to your pumpkin seeds. Pat them really dry with a towel or leave them out overnight. Number 2, do I have to boil or soak pumpkin seeds? Nope, you don't need to boil or soak them. Does it make a difference? Yes, it does make a little bit of difference in the texture of the seeds. They're slightly less tougher, easier to chew and easier to digest. But hey, that hull is tough no matter what you do. That's part of the fun of pumpkin seeds. Number 3, what temperature should I use to roast pumpkin seeds? You want to use moderate heat. So use the classic 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius to roast your pumpkin seeds. This gets them crispy without burning, but always keep your eyes on them, especially in the last few minutes. Number 4, can I use my air fryer to roast pumpkin seeds? Yeah, sure, but there's no real advantage, especially if you end up doing double batches. The time and temp are pretty much the same in both, and trust me, the oven works beautifully for roasting pumpkin seeds. Number 5, what's the best seasoning for roasted pumpkin seeds? My personal favorite is my homemade Cajun seasoning, but I suggest you try all the different flavors. I've got over 5 ideas on my site. Now, tell me, are you going to roast pumpkin seeds, and what flavor will you choose?